Hey everybody, Darlington Farm here, and I got a fun video for everybody this week. So this week it's no welding and fabrication, but we are going to be flying some drones. A buddy of mine is harvesting soybeans just north of us here, and we're gonna go hang out. We're gonna go harvest some soybeans, maybe ride around in the cab here, and I'm looking forward to flying the drones here. So I don't know if I'm ready to let the cat out of the bag as far as my next sort of venture here goes, but suffice it to say I bought a DJI Mavic 2, and I also bought a DJI Inspire 2. Yeah, it's cool. We're gonna have some fun flying around today. So I'm hiding on the other side of the truck here to try and get away from the bean dust. It is really thick. Boy, never realized just how nasty the dust kind of coming off a combine was. Anyway, got the Inspire 2 down there on the landing pad. I realized I need a bigger landing pad, and then I've got my little Mavic 2 there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video zooming around, taking some pictures of the combines here. I want to give a big shout out to my buddy John Gable, Jay and Trevor there. Thank you guys for letting me come out and hang out. I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching.